Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is Saturday, May 25th. 2 weeks ago we had our final race of the season, 500 miles for the 2024 All Bird season, and finally I'm going to upload the video. I've been busy, guys, but busy and lazy at the same time. So today let's go with the video, but before that let's go and do a little recap of the season, the places that I got on each race. And so I think I sent 17 birds to the final race, and I got probably 13 or 14, somewhere like that. Even yesterday or Thursday, 2 days ago, I had the last bird right here. And so let's go with a little recap and then come back to check it out inside the loft. All right, guys, let's go with wind speed and check the results. So let's go. We got the first one. Come on, come on. Good job. Good job, guy. Come on. Come on. Good job. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. We got the first one, guys. Second place so far. $15.81, 2021. The father of this came from Mr. Hugh, which he's on first place right now, and the mother I got her from the flea market back in 2020. Okay, guys, today is Monday, a day after the race. Yesterday only 5 birds on the day. I have 1, Mr. Hugh has 2, and Matt Rothew has another 2. So it's around 7 a.m. right now, and another 3 birds already on Benzene Light reconnection. Another 1 Matt and Hugh. So 8 so far, and I have only 1 here. So I'm gonna release the young ones and wait for more birds. Well, guys, I got the second one. I was inside the house getting some feed, and I got the second one. I got the third one. he looks like he has still have energy. Yeah, now he's flying with the young ones. I think there's another one. Yeah, those two, the old birds. So we have 4 so far. It's 8 a.m. So we got 3 today, 1 yesterday. No hens. Well guys, it's already around 6:20 p.m. and the day has been like that all day, cloudy. And well, I just have 6 birds back out of 17. So let's go with the results. Okay guys. And right here guys, I have the third round of young ones. This is my settling cage. So the third round, they went out this morning for 4th time, I guess. I started releasing them last weekend, and today I released the 23 of them, and 10 of them they decide to go for a routing, and I'm missing 5. So it was okay in the morning, clear, not sunny, and then an hour later they start changing to cloudy, no sun, visibility okay, and then I have to leave for around 3 hours, and between those 3 hours start raining, windy, and now it's beautiful day. So hopefully they can make it back, but I doubt it because one came back, looks like he hit a wire. He's okay, he will be okay. See, right there. So he's okay, no blood, only the skin, no feathers, and he made it back. So I'm missing 5, so hopefully they can make it back. Like I said, I doubt it, but who knows. So right here, let's go this way. So right here I got the first and second round. Only 7 of the first round. Second round 20, 27 here, and I used to have 23 this morning, so I used to have 50, now I have 45. Right here I got all the cocks from 2024 racing season, and all the hens, plus some of the hens that I already moved from the breeding section. Breeding section is almost done, basically done. I just have a couple pairs feeding babies of probably around 3 weeks, so 1 more week and that's it. And there's probably 16 young ones here, so I'm gonna keep these young ones here by themselves, so because I don't want to put them right here on this section. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this one open, and then they can go over here open as well, so they can come all over the place and I want to keep this one on each section so the young ones can go everywhere here to the aviary for a couple of weeks more. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll be posting video about these young ones when I start training them on the road. All right, guys, so thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for all the support during the season, and see you in the next one. Thank you.